actually are points on an IQ scale. From, I think it's the 50s and 60s, I think. It's back from when we didn't think about things like that, when we used to smoke in nurseries and things like that. Yeah, he's fine, Johnny's fine, have some Jack. It's from the days of less PC. So if you had an IQ between 0 and 25, you were called an idiot. If it was between 25, I know it sounds terrible now, because as soon as you hear that, you're like, that's terrible. If you're between 25 and 50, you're called an imbecile. And if you're between 50 and 75, you're called a moron. Right? So it's better to be called a moron than an idiot, because your IQ is actually higher. Right? So remember what IQ is. Remember how it's measured. Chronological age under mental age. And I'm not even sure what IQ measures, honestly. I know it measures intelligence, but I'm not sure what we call intelligence. And I'm not worried about that. But what I'm worried about, or concerned about, or interested in is, let's talk about that as something we can actually discuss intelligently, or with a level of non-just grammar. So here we go. Here we go. They have changed the language a little bit over the time. Here's a question we're gonna start to answer today. We might get to it today. I think we will. Adult IQ is bell-shaped because they tell us it is. Because sometimes it's got an average of 100. But we knew that, right? We already knew that because of what Kevin said. Intelligence quotient, mental age divided by chronological age. If it equals 1, that's 100. Here's what you don't know automatically, though. The standard deviation is 15. We'll come back to that momentarily. We'll come back to that momentarily, I promise. Now, we don't use words like moron anymore. We use phrases like dolo. Okay, a little more PC. A little more PC than idiot and imbecile. But what's funny is, idiot, moron, and imbecile didn't have that connotation 40 years ago. They were simply lines on, I mean, imagine Max, him making fun of his friends in 2025. That's going to become the new moron for the next generation. Who knows? I don't know. Maybe not. So the question is, what percent? Can we throw 80 and 90 into the normal and call it good? That phrase, what I just said is half correct. Can we throw 80 and 90 into the normal? Could you do a between problem? Where you type 80 in left bound, 90 right bound? Could you actually put that in your machine? Right. Yes. Would it be correct to do so? No. That's the problem. Here's the problem. Let's go to the sideboard here.